In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create emails with the ActiveCampaign email designer. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's jump right in. ActiveCampaign offers a fantastic email designer that makes it easy to craft visually appealing and effective emails. Whether you're new to email marketing or looking to enhance your existing skills, this tool can help you customize your emails effortlessly. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up for a free trial on their website. Once you're in, navigate to the Campaigns section in the main menu. This is where you'll create your new email. Click on the Create Campaign button. You'll see a few options, including standard campaigns, automated campaigns, and more. For now, let's choose a standard campaign, as it's the most straightforward way to get started. After selecting the standard campaign, you'll be prompted to name your campaign. Make sure to give it a meaningful name, something that reflects the content of the email. Once you've named it, click Next. At this point, you can choose the type of list you want to send your email to. Select the appropriate audience for your campaign and hit Next again. Now comes the fun part, the email designer itself. You'll see a variety of templates available to choose from. Don't worry if you feel a bit overwhelmed. There are plenty of options, and you can always customize them later. For first-time users, I recommend starting with a simple template, which you can modify to suit your needs. Once you've selected a template, you'll be taken to the email editor. Here, you'll see different sections including the header, body, and footer of your email. You can click on any section to start editing. If you want to add an image, simply drag and drop it into your email. You can also upload your own images or use images from the stock library that ActiveCampaign provides. Next, let's talk about text. You can easily add text blocks by dragging them into your email. Writing engaging copy is key to capturing your audience's attention, so be sure to craft your message carefully. You can change font sizes, colors, and styles right from the toolbar above. Experiment until you find a look that fits your brand. Another great feature of the email designer is the ability to add buttons. Call to action buttons are crucial for driving engagement. To add one, simply drag the button block to your desired location in the email. Customize the button text to encourage action, like Shop Now or Learn More. Make sure to link it to your website or landing page. Once you've structured your email the way you like it, take advantage of the preview function. It's essential to see how your email will look on both desktop and mobile devices. Click on the preview button to check its responsiveness. Finally, before you hit that send button, don't forget to double-check your content and test it. You can send a test email to yourself or a colleague to ensure everything works perfectly. This step is crucial to avoid any surprises when your audience receives the email. When you're satisfied with everything, click Next to proceed to the review stage. Here, you can review all the settings and make any last-minute adjustments. Once you're ready, you can choose to send it immediately or schedule it for later. And that's it! You've successfully created an email using the ActiveCampaign email designer. I hope this tutorial helps you in your email marketing journey. If you found this helpful, remember to subscribe and like the video for more tips and tricks. Happy emailing!